Urgent, urgent, urgent. We got 3 days left to claim Celo Network ENS name service 20,000, whatever the case. Future airdrop possibility. I posted this on my YouTube. This is a quick tutorial. Do this to get the next ENS. Celo Network, they just announced that they're gonna do their cutoff December 31st. Today is December 28th. I'm shooting this. I'm uploading to YouTube. If you like what you see, subscribe. See what happened here. ENS already done. ENS.it. Terra did TNS about a week ago. It's for people that have used Terra bridge, Terra system. I think it was like $500 or something like that. I haven't used Terra, so I missed that. I'm gonna do all of those. Binance is gonna be big in my opinion. Unstoppable domains I've already done. This is not live yet. This is gonna be an airdrop hopefully. I'm gonna do Solana tutorial. I don't know how to do Near. I don't think it's live. Avex, I don't know if it's live. But this one, Celo Network says they're doing an airdrop for everyone that buys domain name by December 31st. And shout out to this person that says Celo Network domain airdrop snapshot on 31st of December. I did a little check and it's actually true. Not a financial advice. Let's do a tutorial. What do you need? First of all, to do this, you need to get on your MetaMask Celo Network. You see here, Celo mainnet I have 2.5 Celo. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do and how. First, go here. All the links in the description. Basically, chainlist.org. Chainlist.org is the website for all the networks. Search network. I've just done it like 10 minutes ago. It's crazy. I'm gonna buy financed after 40. Celo mainnet. Click add to MetaMask and then it will add to MetaMask. That's not enough. That's step one. You got yourself Celo. Once you use this website, search Celo. You add Celo to your MetaMask right here, but now it's 0.0. What you need to do, if you're in the US, you need to buy a little bit of Celo. Why? Because if you go here, this is where we're going, up.nom space, link in the description, nom space, let's search finance after 40, for example. It's still available, finance after 40.nom, reserve, and it says the reserve for 1 year. It costs 5 CUSD, okay, which is Celo USD stablecoin. So I need first to move money to buy Celo, send that Celo to Celo MetaMask, and then convert Celo MetaMask to CUSD, which we will use this website, up.ubswap.org. Okay, so step one, let's do it together. I just did this one. I went to Coinbase. I bought a couple of basically Celo on Coinbase. If you're outside of the US, go use Binance, okay? I bought 2, I had another 3. Basically, I sent 5. For an example, buy the same as you always buy. Buy Celo, ticker symbol CGLD on Coinbase for you US people. Another financial advice. Send it to your regular MetaMask using copy paste, not QR scan. I tried the QR scan, it gave me an error. I just copy paste my MetaMask airdrop test wallet, and basically it sends automatically. Took a couple of seconds, usually takes a few seconds. That's step number one. Get yourself CGLD Celo coin in here. You're not done. Now you need to convert your Celo to CUSD so you can actually buy. So let's do this. We're going to do this website, my max now. Let's refresh. Let's see if we got the more money that I've sent before. I'm gonna send Celo right here. My max, don't do the max, leave a little Celo for transaction fees. And we're gonna do to CUSD. My max is 2.5, which is $11. So let's do 2.4 to 2.3 to pass another 10. How many CUSD I have so I can buy my name? So I have about $6 in here. I need another 10 basically. I need another 10 so I can buy for 3 years. So that's 2.12 Celo. The first time it's gonna ask you to approve the swap and then swap. That's fine, like all the others. Click swap, confirm the swap. I'm sending 2 Celo. I'm getting $10 CUSD. Confirm the swap right here. Okay, basically it's gonna take a couple of seconds. The fees are negligible. This is 0.0000. Click confirm. Okay, transaction let's pause this for a couple of seconds. Now this step is done. You can see I have 0.37 Celo and 16 bucks. 16 bucks gives me, okay, finance after 40. 1 year is $5. I'm gonna do 3 years, which is 15 bucks, 14.99. 3 years, it says maximum 6, so I need to refresh so they can see that I have CUSD. Okay, here we go. Now refresh 16. So I'm gonna reserve for 3 years right here. It's gonna cost me 15 bucks. 15 bucks. Hopefully we're gonna get I don't know, $20,000 ENS airdrop, but it is gonna be more than 15 bucks, I assume. Click reserve. Let's see how it works. Doing this again with you guys. Click reserve. It's gonna open MetaMask. That is fine. And click confirm. Okay. Let's pause. Transaction complete. View on the block scout. Let's click, see what happens here. I don't know. Try this a little bit to play around. But basically it says transaction complete. I can do refresh. Okay, let's see, this one is loading. And if you see here now, it doesn't say like complete and all that stuff. It's not a final version, or I assume. But now you see my max, I refreshed this page, and now I have $76. I had like 17 bucks before, so they use the 3 years. And if you click here, it doesn't say here yet. When I click on my noms, it does say finance after 40, and I also got day trade before we did this. This is so cool. It's already here. Finance after 40 and day trade I did for 1 year, $5, and I got day trade.nom, which hopefully I can flip for $10,000 or something. Day trade.nom. Finance after 40. If you click, for example, let's go back and search finance after 40. Let's see what it says. You own this name. This is cool. Expire December 24th, 2024. I can extend. I'm the owner. And let's do day trade. This is what I've done with the test. You own this name. Expire next year, December 27. And basically I'm eligible for Gnome Space airdrop. You got 3 days to do so if you like this content. And if you are getting some airdrops, guys, number 1, subscribe. Number 2, support this channel on Patreon, links below, and other links. Don't know, I'm also a business lending stuff that you can check and upgrade your business credit. I hope this was valuable. I'll see you next time. Zip. Yeah.